Bula, how are you all this afternoon? Pleasure to have you join me here today. Today I would like to share with you why I started a home-based business promoting trading on the world's largest financial markets to create compounding and residual income. So Bula to all my friends and family wherever you are. Hope you guys are all doing well, and look forward to hearing your comments on this topic. So once again, my topic is why I started a home-based business promoting trading on the world's largest financial markets to create compounding and residual income. So I started this home business on the 28th of March so I can be financially independent once and for all. For far too long I've been relying on my education, my job, my company, my boss's favor, my politicians, my superannuation, my bank, my medical and life insurance to take care of me. I did not know any better. Ever since I read the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki in 2008, did I realize I could take care of myself and my family. However, it took this coronavirus to humbly teach me these lessons. You see, I've been dabbling in this network marketing industry for the last 4 years. I never had any real success with the last 2 of my travel products I promoted. I only sold a few products because I wasn't ready to learn what it really took to be a big business owner. I wandered around the networking wilderness for all 4 years. It was painful. Now things have changed because I was forced to change. I had to change my mind, my attitude. What I thought would be a business venture turned out to be a journey of self-discovery and development. It was painful, needless to say. Now I'm finally experiencing success I've only dreamed about, and it's only the beginning. Thank God I didn't quit. Now I can be with my wife and children doing the things we love as a family. I can be home and earn a decent income. I'm seriously considering homeschooling my children as well because I just don't trust our education system. Go to school, they said. Get a good paying job with benefits. Save, then retire. Then retire after 40 years of sweat for only 40% less of the money you had saved. Although I've known about the motives of our education system for several years now, it took me the effects of this virus in terms of forced business shutdowns, for me to lose my job, for me to practically realize this. I now have learned this and put in place an action plan to achieve my goals with my family. I hope you have a plan too. I'm so thankful that my research led me to find a product that's helping people all over the world right now. We've now had well over 40,000 people from over 100 countries enroll in our Trade Academy in the last 6 months alone. My product is financial education. We teach you how to trade successfully in the world's largest financial markets. We also teach you how to compound your earnings so you can start investing in yourself for further real education by real teachers in sustainable wealth creation. This is such a necessary skill set for these times we live in, not just for this lockdown period, but especially for our future. Not just for me and my wife, but for our children and for future generations. This skill set and the tools is mine forever. You can learn this skill and how to use these tools as well. I chose this business model because it gave me the chance to learn another necessary skill set, online marketing. Considering the information age we are now in, I'm working to be self-sufficient and financially independent. I will never depend on another job or get fired ever again. The beauty about our marketing strategies is it's non-intrusive. No need to spend hours typing and texting to try to entice my prospects. No need to explain how it works. No need to convince anyone. I simply make these videos and spread them all over the various online platforms to reach the ends of the earth. There are over 7 billion people on our planet. Our marketing system does the rest. Next thing is when I hear from people that they want to partner up. Why? Because it's an amazing product, recession and health scare proof, and our marketing strategies give people the space to make my vision their own. Needless to say, our marketing system is automated, a characteristic necessary in a big business. People are realizing that they need to upskill themselves. Jim Rohn said, "You either modify your dreams or magnify your skills." I'm magnifying my skills. You can too. This marketing business model pays in residual income. This type of income has systems of leverage and scale built into it. These characteristics are only found in big businesses, 500 plus employees or more type businesses, by necessity. Now, this residual income keeps paying you only after you've put in the work to create this income stream. At times, when I'm introducing the information to some of you, the first question you ask is, how much are you making? How much have you made? Guys, this is the difference between working for cash and working for the greater good. Robert Kiyosaki says, the rich don't work for money. They make their money work for them. Let me illustrate with a story. There's these two gentlemen, friends, neighbors from a nearby village. Their only source of water was a freshwater stream some kilometers away. Every morning and afternoon, each household would gather their buckets in hand or in wheelbarrows and walk that beaten path to and fro the water source. One day, one of the gentlemen thought up an idea to build a pipeline from the water source to the village. His friend was very discouraging, saying, "Why would you want to bother about everyone else? Just get your own water. Everyone is. And even if you get that pipeline going, we still can come here ourselves and get our own water." The entrepreneur friend had bigger goals. So for the next few days, next few weeks, few months, he struggled getting his project off the ground. He went around the village seeking partnership of sorts. Extended family. He was met with stiff opposition by his friends, extended family, neighbors, and at times the whole village. But he persisted and soon turned the tap on in his house. As a consequence, the villagers soon came around to barter for their convenient water source. The entrepreneur's family were now able to assist their villagers build bigger gardens and livestock because of the foresight of their brave dad, the entrepreneur. My family and friends, it's time to stop thinking of ourselves and thinking of the greater good. Proper education and attitude in entrepreneurship is so essential in our new world economy, now and well into the future. God bless us with wisdom and vision for start taking care of each other, because that, my family and friends, is the only way we will get through any crisis together. Love you all. Thank you for joining me on this live and of course on the replay. Looking forward to hearing your comments. This is Fred from Fiji. Sotatale.